Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be doing unboxing from another Whatnot dubs from Glenn the Hustler Hacks. Like you see, we do a lot of business with him. Glenn is a great guy, and he just continues having a lot of good products. Again, I'll be linking down also below the website or the eBay store where you can find most of these products. Again, we got a little thank you card from Glenn, and we have a pretty small box here. This looks like, ooh, we got little bonuses here. Let's get to these first, and then we'll get to the big stuff. This appears to be a Whatnot sticker. So shout out to my dad. Hopefully this will be on the door. We'll decide to keep this. Oh, we got, okay guys, this is pretty fire. We have a Hustler Hacks pin, which I will be putting in one of my caps for sure to shout them out. And here we have a magnet, Hustler Hacks and Whatnot. And sorry about the noise in the background. My brother's pretending to bake, so sorry about that. Here we have Hustler Hacks logo, and now for sure, like, that goes a long way because it just shows the type of like person he is. Guys, okay, well, I see what it is. Let's go. Woo! We have the first one, Seattle Supersonics. I actually, story time. I have, for those who are old enough to know, Kevin Durant was drafted by the Seattle Supersonics. I have one of his rookie cards, which I got at the flea market for only $1. Go do the research. Go on eBay. Go wherever you search your card prices. KD, like Supersonics. Maybe I'll bundle the two, and that makes sense. My dad texted me a while back. He was like, maybe it's time to get rid of the KD card. Makes sense. Maybe we'll have a bundle on eBay. We'll get you guys a deal if you tell him that we sent you. We can probably get you a deal. The next cap, guys. Not a big trucker guy. Yes, I do have one on. Sorry about my hair. I just got done doing a 4-mile walk. You know, we're on this fitness journey. But the next one, and this might stay in the personal, but here we have a trucker, LA Lakers. Like, even here it's like foamy, and it says Los Angeles. Let me put this before I scare the viewers away. LA Lakers, got the Lakers patch here on the side. Michelle and Ness here. But this is so clean, guys. I might pull a Laker fit for this sneaker event we'll be going to. I don't know yet. I gotta actually upload the poll on my Instagram. So for those that want to keep up with me kind of day to day, and sorry about that. Keep up with the day to day live, follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be RV714, and my TikTok is a lot of me doing and being dumb. Maybe my Instagram is me being dumb, but these are more like videos. Bro, this box, it's like a puzzle. Here we have a couple items. I'm gonna put them off to the side, and great sourcing, Browntown finds. Enjoy the steals. Another letter from Glenn. Let's continue with the caps. My brother's gonna like this one. Here we have a Michelle and Ness Golden State Warriors dad hat. My prediction, guys. The series is tied 1-1. NBA Finals 2022. Mark my words. Warriors in 6. Now, you can go to Vegas and bet, but if you lose, it wasn't me who told you to. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this is very relatable to the final stuff that's happening. Here we have NBA tags, but also Jordan tag in the back in a size medium. Not my size yet. I say yet because you never know. We have a Golden State Warriors Jordan shirt, and not Jordan Poole, but we have a MJ Warriors. Pretty basic, but I wish if a Lakers one would have came in like that. And here we have NBA tag Warriors size small. So for the ladies, shout out to Common Hype, or for the smaller guys, got the Celtics logo here, and you guessed it, Jordan. So these, I think Jason Tatum's about to drop some new shoes, so pretty fire. If you want to get your merch before they drop, early bird boys. Shout out to Pirates Selection. You know that Browntown Finds always has the full fits. So again, comment down below. I will probably keeping this one, which is my favorite piece, just because I don't really care too much about the others. But honestly, the best part was this. Like the small details. Like this shows a lot. And again, guys, I will be linking Hustler Hacks Instagram down below. He's on Whatnot. He's on Instagram. He's on eBay. And just follow him. Give him support. And stay tuned for upcoming videos, guys. Like I said, if you want anything, shop Browntown Finds. Find him on Instagram. Find him on eBay. Stay blessed. And have a great day.